Let's draw LAZCAT from Garten of BanBan. First, start out with the top of the head. And then we're going to draw a triangle shape for the ear. Come to this side. Now we're gonna draw an eye here that's kind of a diamond shape. And then the pupil is at an angle like this. Come over to this side and start the eye. Add in the pupil. And right here, we're going to continue the head shape. And then up here, I'm just going to add a dot to help me figure out how to connect this to here for the mouth. So I'm going to start down low and come up and connect it to that dot and continue downwards and curve it in. Then right here, I'm going to draw just a point to help me connect it and start down low and narrow it up here, connect it, then follow through down to the bottom. Up here, we're going to draw a skinny triangle for the tooth, the very middle there, and then come over a ways and we're going to draw another tooth and just keep drawing teeth going down to the bottom. Come to this side, we'll draw a tooth facing this angle and continue downwards, trying to line them up with the other side. So you can just count how many teeth are on the left and match it up to the right. And here, we're going to come to the side here and draw a tooth like this and draw a tooth like this. And then just follow these teeth down to the bottom. Now, come over here towards the eye. We're going to curve an arm going straight down, curves down, perpendicular. We'll bring it back up and draw an arm that comes out, and the elbow turns it to go down. Same thing right here. And then we're going to put a little toe right here and then connect the toe behind it to this part of the wrist, and then on this side and come over here. I'm going to draw a little toe and a little toe. Now behind here, we're going to start towards the mouth and draw the behind legs. The line that goes here, and then draw a line that curves right here. Then we're going to draw a toe here and a toe that goes behind the leg. Come over to this side, draw a line that comes out, stops here, a line that curves in like that, and draw the middle toe, toe behind the arm, and the final toe. And that's how you draw LAZCAT from Garten of BanBan. Thanks a lot for watching and subscribing. Like the video if you liked it, and be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel.